Now we will go to a off page SEO. What are the things we can do in a off page SEO? First thing is about a backlinks. Is there any backlinks you have been added, in the sense anyone else using your backlinks or not, in the sense your site as a reference or not? How to create a backlinks? For example, here I will take, this is a one website I have, this is the second website I have. Okay, what I will do, I will copy my website link. Okay, in this particular website, someone if they click on this particular image, okay, I will insert a link. So if someone click on this particular image, okay, it has to take to a that particular page. That is nothing but for this particular website you have been created one successful backlink. Okay, like that, if any one of your friends or any of the content writers, if they are using your website as a useful source, okay, then you have been created a backlinks for your website. Okay, here it is showing a bad because at least you should have a 10 to 15 backlinks for your website to get a better page ranking. This is nothing but off page. You will not be able to do anything in your website. You are using your website link, someone else is using your website link, so it is not in your control, but you can request someone to get a quality backlinks. Okay, here you can check if it backlinks are there, what is the quality of the backlinks and who are all referred the backlinks. It will give here the detail about all the backlinks they have been provided. Second one is the traffic. You can check the traffic estimation. We can see here very high traffic because our website has been has a visibility in a worldwide. For that reason, it has been given a better traffic, in the sense better website. We can expect a we can expect the visitors from the different part of the world. And how most visited websites in the world, yet what is the rank? Yours rank is a 2122nd rank it is. Okay, so it is better. There may be a lakhs of websites, right? In that ours is ranking around 2000, means it will be better. And which part of the worlds are using our website? India, America, like we have some of the African countries also, and some of these Brazil, this way Australia and Russia. Like this, we have some of the countries which are using our website. And in United States itself, 979th most visited website is this. Our website is visited, most visited in that rank. We have a 979. You can improve this ranking. We can improve this ranking. Okay, we can improve this ranking by using a other methods like we have to improve the content, we have to improve the site indexing, then automatically your rank also will be better. Okay, so we started a few months back. So if you have a 2900 in US itself, means it will be better rank. And where which are the locations they can able to see our website. Okay, you can see which are the locations they have in US. It has been blocked, this particular website, this particular .us, but ours is a .com. No need to worry about that. Okay, for US it has been blocked, but ours is a .com, so no need to worry on that particular matter. Then it comes to a like a Google Analytics. Okay, this Google Analytics, we need to we can use Google Analytics directly to the your website by using a Google Analytics. No need to worry about in a Google rank. If you are a paid user or a start for a 14 days trial, you can try for a use a trial, and you can check the how exactly your traffic sources and domains and page views and more details you will get. But these details you are already getting in a Google Analytics itself, so no need to worry about this particular thing. And then it is comes to the local directories is nothing but a, if you are using this particular website, if you are using this particular website in a local directory. Which is the local directory we learned? Google My Business, right? Google My Business is a local directory. Okay, here localized directory we have. If you use that particular website link in a Google My Business, okay, that particular detail will be shown here. Okay, that particular detail will be shown here. Okay, local directory, again you will get a local directory details in a your Google My Business itself. Then it comes to a next one, social profiles. Okay, like a Facebook, Instagram, like a Twitter account, LinkedIn account. We haven't linked any of the account, this particular website. You can see here we haven't linked to any of the accounts. So once you have been created all the pages, we are going to learn about creating all the social media pages. Once you have been created all the social media pages, we can link our website in all the social media pages, so that we will come to know that what is the score. The only one media page we have been created so far, that is nothing but a Facebook, so that it is showing that in Facebook we have a 80 engagements. Okay, so you will get to know about all the social media page insights here. Okay, for this one we will create a social media page. We will going to learn that in a social media marketing section. You will be able to learn all these media, creating a social media pages like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest. All the social media pages we will going to create, and there we can use our website. How to link our website in a social media pages, we are going to show you in that particular section. Okay, that score will be shown here. If you already linked, that will be shown here. Okay, that is nothing but a off page marketing again, right? Then again Facebook itself, because Facebook will be most used social media compared to all other. Okay, so that here is specific to the Facebook has been taken here to check insights and all. You can go to the start a free trial. Okay, 14 days free trial is there. You can start with a 14 days free trial, or you can check the plan. It will cost for monthly basis. Okay, if you go for a pro, you will be cost around the $60 per month, $180 per month. If you are going to for a premium, it should be negotiable. If you are going for a uh, enterprise, if you are going a yearly basis, you will be getting little bit discount. Okay, you can try for a free for a 14 days. You can try for a free. We have to register for that one. We have to give a name, first name only, but work mail we need. Password we can create, then say free trial. Your account will be created for a free trial. Then you can say improving our website, and yes, with a bit of experience, set all, so that you can set up a 14 days free trial. But the thing here is, to start a free trial we need to give a credit card details. So for that reason I have been said that no need to go for a free trial. Okay, no need to go for a free trial, 14 days free trial. Whatever the analysis we wanted, it is there in a pre itself, in the sense what we have been done so far, right? In a WooRank page itself, if you go to home, it will direct to the, because I have been logged in. To log out, to get it for a free, you can